Up-and-coming gaming powerhouse iQOO revealed its latest flagship offering with iQOO 5 and 5 Pro. The two devices are virtually identical, though the Pro variant brings a marquee of 120 watt of fast, wide charging and a periscopic module around its back. You will also find the Pro variant in exclusive BMW M Motorsport flavor with the black finish in carbon black and white leather with a BMW blue and red accent colors to complement the bidding partnership between the two brands. Both iQOO 5 series phone come with a curved 6.56-inch of AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate and a punch hole cutout in the top left corner for 16-megapixel selfie camera. The curvature on the Pro model is more pronounced than on the vanilla model. The panels also fluent 240Hz touch response and 1300 nits of brightness and support for HDR10 Plus support standard. There is also an in-display fingerprint reader and dual stereo speakers. The camera setup on the iQOO 5 features the impressive 50-megapixel of Samsung GN1 sensor found on the Vivo X50 Pro Plus with optical image stabilization alongside with a 13-megapixel of ultra-wide snapper and a 13-megapixel portrait lens. The 5 Pro retains the main and ultra shooter but also brings an 8-megapixel periscopic module capability of 5 times of optical zoom and up to 60 times of hybrid zoom. Not your typical gamer phone camera setup here. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 865 paired with 8 and 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. There is also a VC heatsink that iQOO claims can cool down the CPU temperature by 12 degrees Celsius. The battery department is where it gets more interesting, and the iQOO 5 Pro comes with a 4000 mAh of a battery with the support of 120 watt of fast charger. To give you an example of just how fast these speeds are, iQOO is claiming a complete charge from 0 to 100% with only takes 15 minutes, while a 5-minute top-up will bring the battery to 50%. There are an array of sensor algorithms which monitor the battery cell's temperature control to prevent any damage. The iQOO 5 carries a large 4500 mAh of a battery and settles for the less impressive 55 watt of flash charge solution, which take up to 50 minutes for full charge. Both phones boot with Android 10 with iQOO UI 1.5 on top of that. The iQOO 5 will be available in blue, gray paint jobs with a starting price of $576 for 8GB and 128GB variant. There is also a 12GB, 128GB trim from and 12GB and 256GB model for $662. The iQOO 5 Pro comes with the amazing track variant and legacy edition color scheme and retails for $720 for 8GB and 256GB variant, whereas $792 for 12GB and 256GB variant. Sales in China tip off on August 24, while international availability will be detailed later on. So guys, I'm pretty much sure that the Chinese companies are bringing on the 120Hz of refresh rate and 120 watt of fast charging compatibility in their devices. We know that Xiaomi has previously announced Mi 10 Ultra, and that is also supported by 120 watt of fast charging. So guys, what are your opinion regarding the upcoming iQOO device? Will you buy that device? Was it costing you less and provided you best specification inside? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.